All right, so guys, I'm going to be showing how you can copy your previous team from old to new one. So if you're on your PC or you're on your laptop, sorry, on your phone, it's same process. So let's assume you're on your PC. This is definitely is going to look like a desktop site, which means it's going to be like this when you open. So let's just wait for it to turn to a PC. But I just want to show you both way. But let's start with the PC section of it. So this is what you're going to have, but from now you can see we having I'm having a full screen, but above here you can see we have I'm trying to scroll in to display. You can see we have a Canva theme here. From here, this is where I locate my profile. So that means I'm going to tap on that place like this. So when it comes up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the previous one. I don't know, I can't zoom in my screen for some reason. I can't zoom. I'm trying to zoom my screen so that I can see everything. But whatever be the case, let's just go back to the desktop side. Maybe it's going to give us a better view of what we are saying. But above all, if you're using your PC, the same method apply. Just use the same knowledge that I'll be sharing here. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this three hamburger menu by the top left corner of my screen. Wait for this to load. Sometimes you can have a bad network and you can't load the theme as fast as you can. But when this load, all we want to do is to switch, copy our work from the old team down to our new team. So it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Very soon we should have everything all set. All right, so we're almost at it. That's great. So from here you can see we have this Canva theme 2, which I don't have any design on it. So I want to go to my old design. So I have to switch back to my old design. So you have to pick the one that you think that has your whole design. So if you're in our Canva team, you can see from here we have this one, which is the second one, which is the Learn Digital Canva community team. So we just have the second team here. So I'm going to click on this one now. Then I'll switch back to the previous one. So when I switch back to the previous one, now I want to start copying my work. So the best way to copy, you can see down here, we have the home section, we have the project, we have this one, we have template, we have theme. So here I will click on the project. I want to see all the work I've been doing because Canva gives us a separate folder where we can run some stuff. So from here you can see we have the folder, we have design, we have images. So over here now, I'm going to just use these three ellipse sign from here. So I'm going to tap on that now. So we'll be given many options. So the best way you can do is you can either move it to a folder. What I do is if I have many work, I just select all and move them to a folder. So now, let's say I want to share to a team. I'll just move down here to display and say copy to another team. Let's say that's just that work you want to copy. So now you're going to just click on this one called Learn Digital Canva team. So I'm going to just click on it now, then click on copy. Then a work will be sent to it. Patiently, you're going to wait. Then you have the first phase. This is when you want to copy an individual work. But if you want to copy many work, that will be the next thing I'll be showing you. Then we're going to switch to the new team and see if we can find all our new work that was transferred. All right, now you can see that the top section, there was a success message at the top section here, which you just read. So now I want to copy multiple. I'm going to just easier. So just come here, put your phone on desktop side like this. So put it on desktop side. So when you put that on desktop side, the next thing you want to do is for you to select it, because from here it becomes very easier to select multiple project all at once. So you can see we can see our full screen here. I think this is the best possible way to go about it. So now what I'm doing now is to select the one I want to do. So just select, let's use selecting this 5 here. These are all the projects you'll be working to. So you can see from the down part of this place, down part there, we have something like folder. So I'm going to select that sign. Now it's trying to tell me move to a folder that you have, or create a new folder here. So I'm going to click on create new folder. Then we're going to say new team. You can call it new team. Then you click on OK. Make new folder. Then when you click on it, that it moves every of that work immediately to that place. So now from there, now we have that team. Now next we want to do is go home section. You can see where I click on home again, or you can just move on to your project and see all the folder you have. So click on project. So when you click on project, what you want to do next, it's simple. Now you want to check all the project and by folder. You can see we have folder here. So click on folder. So when folder open, you can see we have the first one called okay, let's check on design. I'm trying to find, I've not seen that one. This is copy of new theme. This is the folder. We can't find that previous one we just created. Let's just click on all and see if we can find that. Okay, we have all this copy to this place. Oh, this is not great at all. It's not great at all. It's not great at all. All right. So sorry, this have to come this way. What I did was to put my phone back to desktop side after selecting it and moving to a folder, and I discover I can now find all that in this place. You can see I can now find all that in this place. And the next thing I did was to just click on this place. Now you can see we have copying to new team. So just play around everything I've said. It's very simple. As I've said, you can move individual work, or you can select all the work by first of all creating put your phone on desktop side. But if you can do it without putting on desktop side, you can see your full screen, all beautiful. But if you put it on desktop side, select all, move them to a folder, and so you click on move, don't delete it. When you move it to a folder, put your phone, get it off from desktop side, just as I've removed mine, and come back to this place. Or you can just reload your Canva all from scratch, and you will see everything there. That's how to do it. Copy individually. And now we want to move back to our team and see. So let's copy this work we've moved in our new team. So let's copy to a new team now. Let's come here. Let's click on copy to new team. Then it's going to ask you which team. This is where we are copying. Then patiently the same process apply. Then we will need copying your new content from you. Just waiting for a success message from there, and we are good to go. Sometimes it might not be fast, but let's just try switch to this and see. From here, moving to the new team, which is this one. We're going to click on it and see if we have everything we've sent to this team, if it is there, and how do we locate all this. So now what you want to do is it's going to be on your project, this place, this project. So click on the project. We're going to see everything we've moved down from the first to the end. So just scroll down to this. You can see we have copy of this. This is the individual one was sent. So we're going to move to this next side, which is called folder, and see if it's successfully copied. So you're going to click on folder. You can see we did not see it yet. So all we want to do again is go back there till we see everything. Or we can try to just reload and see if it comes up. If it does not come, then we go back to that thing. We didn't get the success message that we are expecting. Trust me, when you do this today, you won't want to do it tomorrow, because it becomes very, very, very easy. So let's just switch back to the team and try to do the copy again and see if it is successful. So patiently, we're good to go. So now we're going switching back again to the end part of it. Then we'll go back to a project, then click on your project. Then all the stuff is going to load. When it loads, the next thing you want to do is click on the folders. Then we're moving this new team, but this time we're going to be waiting for a success message. So copy to another team. Then we're going to click on this, click on copy. Then let's just wait for, we are on it, copying your content over now. We'll just patiently wait and see if it says successful. If it does not show successful, there is another way to go about it. So while we're waiting for this, we'll just be activating the second way, because if imagine your file is very large, we're going to come here now, we're going to say share link. Let's check if we can get any link. If we can't, okay, we can only see moved. Okay, we can see share. Let's click on share. So when you click on share, you're going to wait. Now, the next thing you want to say, it's going to ask you, click on this private, click on link, say this Canva team called anyone in this team can access. Okay, learn this Canva team. No, 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 no. This is not what we should be doing. This is not what we are doing. This is not what we should be doing. All right. So we're not getting the old stuff done. Try to see if that stuff have been copied, but still it didn't copy. Let's try switch back again and see if it has successfully copied. Let's see the notification from here, what we are getting. Okay, you can see we have just this. The second one was not successful. It said a copy of new team made to this. Okay, we have a successful message. That's great. So let's move back and have a switch. Let's have a switch to this. Then when it switch, it might not be difficult as it sounds in this video, but yours become very, very easy. Very, very easy. So now we're moving on, we're moving to this place. We want to check if it's up, it has appeared. But if it does not appear, then it means there's something wrong somewhere. There's something wrong somewhere. So from here, okay, oh, the team has copied many good time. You can see we're having many good time. That's why I told you be patient enough. You can see from here when we come to folder, we should have it down there. These are all the thing we just copied. One, two. I believe you understood everything. So I took my time to explain everything, the challenge you will face, how to put your phone on desktop site, how to copy in the video work, and how to locate them so that you don't complain that you missed something. Trust me, you can chat me up as usual on on my WhatsApp. Just check my YouTube channel. If you check my YouTube channel, definitely you see a link on my channel that leads you to WhatsApp. Click on it. I will, and don't forget to subscribe so that I can attend to you very, very fast. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.